Welcome aboard the A350 XWB. Born from a customer-centric approach, the A350 XWB is a great success, with 777 orders for 41 customers, and it's already flying all over the world. This is the world's most modern and efficient aircraft family, setting new standards in terms of flight experience for passengers, operational efficiency, and cost-effectiveness for airlines.
10, retard, 10, 5.
In the A350 XWB's front office, its flight deck has been updated, built around an arrangement of 6 identical interchangeable large displays. This is a continuation of the Airbus philosophy for creating ergonomic flight decks that combine commonality and innovation. The A350-1000 is on track for the first flight before the end of the year, and EIS in 2017.